Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you about reading, and we spent some time and I gave you some time and resources to get books, and what we are going to do each day is read for at least 10 minutes. And I think I've mentioned in class that it is super important to keep reading or start reading if you don't read a whole lot, because there are so many advantages to you if you do read. You just actually become smarter. Not only do you become smarter by learning things that you've read, especially if you are reading nonfiction, but it will stretch your imagination and it is going to build your vocabulary. It is, the more you read, the better you become at reading. And if you have some really good, strong reading skills, you have an advantage to become whatever it is that you want to be. It just kind of sets you up for success. So the way that you become a better reader is by reading. And the way that you are more likely to read is by selecting things that you enjoy, which is why I invited you to go find something of your own to read. Today, we are going to start our Read 10 routines. And what that means is you are just going to enjoy your book. We're going to keep our cameras on the days that we have our live meetings. And if you want to move, I'm okay with that. You just got to bring that Chromebook with you, and you're going to just enjoy your book. So my book that I'm going to be reading is one of the Truman books, Not If I Save You First. I've just started it. Actually, I haven't read it for a few days, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of rereading today. And we're going to set a timer and actually just read and relax and enjoy. As soon as we are done reading, we're going to share a little bit what we are reading. And I've got what I call a Jamboard. And some of you might have used one of these before, maybe not. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it. This Jamboard is it's kind of like a whiteboard that you can all add to. So it's a little bit like a Google slide that we could all add to. As long as everybody's shared, you can all add to it. And I'm going to ask that you write down what you're reading on here. So just to show you how to do this, I've got this open, and there should be a link I'll have in the chat, or I might have to put it down Schoology for those of you that are online only learners. And or just for some reason couldn't show up to the meeting. So over here are the tools, and I'm going to ask that you pick a sticky note. Once you open that, if you would like to change the color, you are welcome to do that. And I want you to add the book that you're reading. If I See You First by Allie Carter. And then you just save it. And you're going to find that it goes in the corner. Everybody's is going to go in the same spot. So you have to kind of move it. Otherwise, yours is going to pile up on everybody else's. If you want to make yours a little bit bigger, you can do that. But just remember that the whole class is going to be adding to this. So be careful with that. And then we're going to talk a little bit about it. So first we want to see what everybody's reading. And then I'm going to invite a few of you. If anybody says, ooh, mine's really good, you can share that. I hope to keep this available, so as you are looking for books, you'll be able to see what other people are reading, see other people's recommendations. Okay, so go ahead and start reading and add in those books.